Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching the Cooking with an Italian. Today Enrico, Master Chef, gonna help me like always. And today we're going to cook something vegetarian and nice and easy. We're going to cook pepper with stuff inside, with ricotta and spinach. It's something very Mediterranean and easy to do, fresh and nice. And now we start to do it, okay? We're gonna prepare the peppers now, okay? This onion, ricuccio, is very big onion. Oh, of course, wash it first and we start. Cut in the middle, like that. I show you one and later you finish. Now we're gonna clean this. You can do with a small knife. You have to take your time here, you see? Do first like this. When this is off, his job is done. Or you can use a spoon.
To get the seeds out?
Yeah, because the seeds, if you like, it's done. Job done. It's gonna be like that, okay? You can wash it, but it's very easy to do. I show you another one. Do this. Do this. Watch your finger. And it's job done. Okay? Do all your pepper like this. And I show you the next step. Okay? Gonna be very, very easy. Okay? See you later. You're gonna have something like that. Okay? If happen some seeds inside it, I don't mind. But up to you. Now we're going to cook the spinach. Spinach with some onion. Not much, this onion is massive, but I don't need all. You know, you can... I need some. We're gonna cook with the gas is already on. A nice touch of nice olive oil. Onion in first. Anyway, we're gonna cook this onion and spinach around 6-7 minutes, not more, because later we're gonna finish in the oven. We're gonna put everything in pepper and we finish in the oven. Around 40 minutes is done. Okay? Now the onion leave just another minute. We need to be ready with the spinach, and I put this in 2 times. You see? Like that. Now they start cooking this. Start cooking this, and I show you next step. We're gonna be around everything to cooking this just with salt and pepper. And if you have some garlic powder, put in. And when they cook a little bit, around 6-7 minutes, I show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys, this is almost done. It's 4 minutes cooking. I put some salt, pepper, and garlic powder, how much you like, and I put a teaspoon of butter, just last touch, to give a nice flavor. Now, when in another couple minutes, I'm gonna show you the next and last step. Okay? Okay, 6 minutes. Look at that, it's already done. Ah, the smell, guys. Now it's too much water. Oh, I do this. I pour it and I leave to dry a little bit, and I'm start to prepare what is the next step. You see, I just leave like this, you know, all the water, the liquid gone. Now, in the time the spinach they get a little bit dry, we take a nice bowl, make ready as well a tray for go to the oven. My oven already is on. The ricotta in, I use half kilo, it's 250 grams each. This one and 2 inside. Start breaking it like that. Now is the spinach time. Just inside. And we mix everything very well. You know, when everything is mixed very nice, we're gonna start put the stuff inside the peppers. Okay? It's very easy, guys, what I'm doing. Drop it down. The smell, guys, is absolutely wow. Okay, now we do this first. Some pepper inside here. I don't know how many we're gonna fit. Maybe not all. Now, guys, we do this. salt inside, black pepper, just a little touch, olive oil, and now we start the ricotta and spinach inside, like this, easy. Okay, they're beautiful. It's done. Now do all of them, and later on the top of this, before they're going in the oven, we're gonna give us them a little touch of Parmesan on the top. It's done. Look how beautiful. I don't know if it's enough for all of them, but anyway, when I'm finished this, I'll show you the next step. Guys, look how beautiful they are. I'm very, very, very happy about it. Now we do again a little touch of salt, black pepper, olive oil again, and a quite nice Parmesan on the top. The Parmesan always is nice. And now this one going in the oven 40-45 minutes, 200 degrees, but anyway I'm gonna be more precise later, and that's it, but that is the time. Okay, and guys, always, if you like this video, share with friend, because they don't know how delicious is these peppers. And check our website, and that's it. Now this going in the oven, beautiful, around 40-45 minutes, 200 degrees. Okay. Hey guys, look how beautiful they are. They already are out from to the oven, but I cook it 40 minutes, 200 degrees, but the last 5 minutes grill, and they super nice, beautiful. Now I left one separate just to try, to show you even inside. This the day after cold, they even better. Look how beautiful they are, spectacular. And now they're still warm. Wow, absolutely delicious. Wow, very, very delicate. Guys, this is a pepper with ricotta and spinach inside. Beautiful, something different. If you like, finger up, and see you later. Ciao.